Now to our complete cannabis coverage. We want to take you live to Cobourg and CTV's Nick Dixon, where legalization is giving new life to a former factory. Tell us about it, Nick.
Well, that's absolutely right, Michelle. This used to be the Kraft Foods facility, but 10 years ago it shut down. And in a town of about 18,000 people, 1,300 or so people losing their jobs was really a big hit to this economy. But now 10 years later, a pharmaceutical company is setting up shop in here, and they're bringing things back to life with a pot leaf. From above, the old Kraft Foods facility in Cobourg may look like any other massive plant from another time. But instead of Tang and cereal, now the product being made is marijuana. FSD Pharma paid $5.5 million for this building a year ago and has plans for massive growth.
We intend to bring this back to not only its glory of the former Kraft days, but actually even bigger and higher, even more than 1,350 in total. This is the largest legal licensed facility in the world today.
Just over 25 people work here now, but once this 220,000 square foot expansion is finished, several hundred people will work here.
We are going to create a lot of jobs and in all verticals related to this industry, not just in growing and cultivation and processing of marijuana, but in R&D and human resources and shipping and receiving in all aspects of the industry.
And for the town of Cobourg, about an hour east of Toronto, Ontario's feel-good town is feeling pretty good about the return of so much opportunity.
I think it's great, but yeah, it is a lot of jobs. So
if this is going to bring back as many jobs as Kraft did, then by all means.
And for the people who already work here, they're excited by the chance to work in a real growth industry.
I knew it was going to go big, and this is the future, right? So I knew I could go somewhere with this company.
Now I've seen a lot of excitement in the community around possible job openings, and I get a lot of interest from friends and family.
Knowing that, this building is now being used for something great. Everybody's very positive about it, and I do have goals of moving out this way, so it was nice to get a job out this way.
FSD is focusing mainly on medical marijuana, believing the margins will be bigger in that part of the market. The CEO got into the business when he discovered marijuana could help him with excruciating pain from type 2 diabetes. And now he says the company he co-founded will help a lot of people in a lot of ways.
This business can actually bring a lot of relief to a lot of people. It can actually help a lot of people.
Whether it's from jobs or pain relief, and again, they're focusing on medicinal marijuana. To give you a sense of just how large this facility is, they believe that by the time their expansion is complete, they could be growing marijuana in some 3.8 million square feet. Again, the largest facility in the world producing medicinal marijuana. And to give you a better perspective, it is bigger than Central Park in New York City. Reporting live in Cobourg, I'm Nick Dixon.